Mamika, second choice for this race. The favorite, Yellow Goose Ka. All set now, ready to race. Race number 4, Santana Park. Third choice, Dapat Hapon. Anytime now, race number 4. And the race is on. Showmaster Promise running by Drell. Moving up down on the inside. Entry number 2, Lady King. Golden Class also rushing up to grab the lead. Golden Class, Lady King, Promise. Bunch of horses fighting it up for third, 4th, 5th, 6th, and 7th position. Golden Class by Anek, followed by Lady King. Lady Galore on the outside, rushing up Bronze Ace. And inside the last 600, Golden Class by Alan Canap, Lady King, Bronze Ace. Racing on the outside, Lady Galore. And Vergara is running in 5th by Drell. As they race the last 500, Golden Class by about 2 lengths. Bronze Ace running in second. Lady King as they race the final corner. Golden Class by about 2 lengths. Bronze Ace on the outside. Dragon Maiden on the inside. Rushing up is Dapat Hapon. And nearing the finish line. Golden Class by about 3 lengths. Bronze Ace in second. Rushing up Mamika. And nearing the finish line. Golden Class from the trainership of Alas Crisolo. Second, Bronze Ace. Runaway, Mamika, Buko Juice.
Okay, 411 unofficial forecast po natin. Crossing the wire first. Medyo dihado pa yan ha. Numero 4 na Golden Class. Unofficial second placer natin yung numero 11 Bronze Ace. Okay, daily double sales 586,800.